Okay, so this is part of the normalisation series for Master Computer Science, and we'll be looking at second normal form, which is commonly written as 2NF. Right, there are two criteria for a database table to be in second normal form. First, it's already in first normal form, so you've already made sure all your attributes are atomic. And second, there are no partial dependencies. Okay, so in order to have a partial dependency, you have to have a composite primary key. That's what we've got here. So this is a table for a paint supplier. We've got order ID and product ID. So those two together make our primary key for this table. However, when we look at the other attributes in the table, we've got the type, basically the manufacturer there. So we've got Dulux and Acme, and we've got the colour of it, blue and yellow. Now, those two attributes are only dependent upon the product ID. They have no dependency on the order ID. Okay, so when they've made an order, they've ordered these products, but these do not depend on that order number. They depend entirely on the product number. So it's not in second normal form because it's partially dependent on our composite primary key. Now, there's quite an easy fix for this one. What you do is you simply have another table where you go, okay, I'll have order number, order ID, and then product ID. Okay, put everything in there. 103.8.2.749, 2.7.19, 1.0.1.3. Okay. There we go. And in this case, we'll remove our composite primary key, like so, and just have a single primary key for this table here. There we go. Right. So now we'd simply link our tables. As I said before, we're going to come on to that in relationships later. Now, type and colour are entirely dependent on the product ID, and down here we've got a table which includes the order ID and the product ID that we can then use to link to this table here. And there are no attributes which are partially dependent in there. So we have no partial dependencies. It's already in first normal form. We've achieved second normal form.